All right, good evening, everybody. So, as you all remember, we were doing the Swiss.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Okay, so we were doing the Swiss Family Robinson. Especially the waxy fruit with which they could make some candles. They also found a tree that exuded or that released some rubbery kind of a fluid, and from that they could make their boots, and the cave was made. So, guys, that's where we are now. We are with the third paragraph of the page, that is because of low light. So I hope you have your pens and pencils ready and you can write the meanings wherever necessary. All right, let's start. So, because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. Please write the meaning of the word oppressive. Oppressive means close and dull. Close, C-L-O-S-E, close and dull. Because the lights are pretty low, uh, of course, because cave के अंदर light जाना बहुत मुश्किल है, sunlight, natural light. So they realized that it was very important that the entire cave to look a little lit for it to look a little attractive and interesting. ये तो बड़ा ही boring दिख रहा था, oppressive दिख रहा था. So let us see what solution did they find. To remedy this, remedy is to solve this. Okay, to solve this, Father and Jack rigged up a new light. Rigged up as in created. Okay, rigged up is created. So they created a new light. And how did they do it? They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then, after securing it, that means after making sure कि वो bamboo pole अब गिरेगा नहीं, वो fix हो गया है. Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp, and they had rescued from the ship. So, if you remember, while they were rescuing themselves from the ship, they had a lot of other materials with them जो ship में पड़े थे ऐसे. तो उसमें से एक oil lamp भी था. So, after they put the bamboo pole, they put it in such a way that it was transfixed from the floor to the ceiling. अब वो गिरेगा नहीं. Once that was sure, Jack climbed up, of course, with the help of father and the other brothers, and put up the oil lamp out there. And that's how the entire cave now looked a little lit and a little attractive. One day, they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed, and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. Now, this is, times of diversity, mushkil ki ghadi. So now over here, what happened is, one fine day, maybe they must have all gone somewhere, maybe to the beach to have fun or to gather some, some stuff for their survival or something. When they came back, they found that their hut is the one which was built on the tree. Okay, so it was destroyed completely, and also the field, the garden, the vegetable garden that the mother had actually created, that she was cultivating, was also trampled and ruined. Trampled as in stepped over. Stepped over, stepped over, and ruined. Ruined. Ruined means destroyed. Ruined means destroyed. There were large footmarks everywhere. So now they could see that there were huge footmarks, but footmarks थे हर जगह पे. Father saw massive damage to trees as well as many huge footprints, which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. So elephant herd is a group of elephants, a bunch of elephants. So जब वो लोगों ने observe किया कि ये पैरों के निशान इतने बड़े किसके हैं, कौन से जानवर के हैं, father realized that it was the elephant herd that had actually ruined everything that they had created. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. So the next morning, now the family did another jugad. They were trying to find out a very strong defense to discourage, to stop, and to control all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. They also finalized their idea about the new residents. So, guys, please remember the last time you did an activity where you were supposed to write about the two residences that they had created. Now we see the third one. You can write it down, third house or third residence, so that when you do that activity again for the third and the fourth house, you find it very easily. Rather than building a house on stilts, which the elephants could knock down easily, they would use four strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. So now, earlier what did they do? वो लोगों ने एक बड़ा झाड़ ढूंढा. They found out a big tree, a huge one, जिसका उस पे इसके ट्री अगर हम घर बना रहे हैं तो it's easy for the elephants to knock the house down. So now they've thought we will now create the house using four strong trees. यानी कि जो बेस है, जो फाउंडेशन है, वो पूरे घर का 4 ट्रीज पे रहेगा. तो अगर उसने एक ट्री तोड़ भी दिया, if the elephant herd goes and breaks down one tree, the other 3 poles may definitely take care of the house, and they can do something out of it. सबको तोड़ दिया तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but at least something is better than nothing. Prevention is better than cure. So they thought we'll use 4 strong trees that grow in a square near one another as a foundation. तो जाकर ढूंढ रहे थे कि 4 ऐसे झाड़ जो स्क्वायर शेप में ग्रो हो रहे हो एक दूसरे के पास. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus, they built a safe home. So this was a third residence. So they found out such a place where they could find 4 trees, which were all placed, near each other, which were approximately of equal size. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे चलता है. ज़्यादा भी नहीं, when they were 12 feet apart, तो चारों के बीच में 12 feet का गैप था एक दूसरे से, and that's how they built another safe home. That's their third residence. Let's go to the next page. So guys, now we take a leap, just like Ekta Kapoor takes in all her serials. जब उसके पास कोई स्टोरी नहीं होती है, तो वो सीधा 10 साल का लीप लेती है, हीरो हीरोइन को बुढ़ा बना देती है, और उनके बच्चे हो जाते हैं, and things go on. But no, this is not Ekta Kapoor serial. I am sorry to compare it with that. It's a very beautiful book. I really recommend you people to read. So 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men. So 10 साल तक guys, just imagine. It was an accident that they landed on the island. And now it was a period of 10 years had gone by. And the young boys, Fritz, Ernest, who were the other two? Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. All of these boys were now young men. उनको मूछें आनी शुरू हुई थी. And their parents were very proud. They called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. So now, because they were staying there for 10 years and they were, remember, they were a Swiss family. Swiss means a family that comes from Switzerland. So they named this island as New Switzerland. And over the years, a lot of other adventures occurred. Of course, we will not read about those adventures here because this is a summary. It's a synopsis. To know what more adventures happened, you'll have to read the book. On the shore of another island, shore is the land near the sea, or the land, or the place where the land and the sea coincide. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross. Guys, please write the meaning of the word albatross. Albatross is a huge sea bird. Albatross is a huge sea bird. उसका जो wings होता है ना, एक उसको दो wings होती है like every bird. उसका जो एक wing होता है वो 3 to 5 meters लंबा होता है. 3 to 5 meters. It's a huge seabird. So on one of the islands, Fritz gaya tha udhar, and he had knocked down, as in he had punched down an albatross, maybe because it was threatening to attack him. Threatening as in uh, trying to attack him. Here, threatening actually means dhamki. It means trying to scare someone. But here it means trying to attack him. That was trying to attack him or was looking dangerous. And found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. So there was this albatross who was trying to attack Fritz. Fritz gave it a punch diya, wo gir gaya niche. And he found a rag. Guys, I want you to write the meaning of the word rag. So guys, the word rag means a piece of old cloth. A piece of old cloth. एक कपड़ा मिला उसको और उस पे टाई किया गया था कुछ तो भी एक बर्ड के लेग, उस बर्ड के लेग पे. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Stranded, please write the meaning. Stuck. S-T-U-C-K. Stuck. उस पे लिखा था कि एक इंग्लिश वुमन, अब वो इंग्लिश वुमन थी वो मालूम पड़ा क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में लिखा था, that she was stuck on the smoking rock. Now the smoking rock, if you ask me, I feel this was a rock that emitted the volcano. तो आइलैंड्स पे आई एम श्योर आपको पता रहेगा, ट्रॉपिकल आइलैंड्स पे यूजुअली वोल्केनोज रहते हैं बहुत सारे. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी कम टू नो कि वहाँ पे लड़की फंसी हुई थी. सो भाई लोग और बहन लोग, भाई लोग की बहन लोग, हियर हीरोइन का एंट्री होने का चांसेस लग रहा है अभी. तो फ्रिट्स है द एल्डेस्ट सन, बड़ा हो गया है, लीप लिया है स्टोरी ने, तो हीरोइन भी तो आएगी अब. Fritz had no idea how old this message was. So now Fritz didn't know कि ये मैसेज 10 साल पुराना है या 2 दिन पुराना. He had no idea about it. His father suggested that the smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano, as we just discussed. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. Vicinity, please write the meaning. Vicinity is area nearby. Vicinity means area nearby. So father was thinking कि यार smoking rock तो volcanic rock हो सकता है, बट अपने एरिया में तो कोई है नहीं, तो हो सकता है that this bird has traveled from around hundreds of miles away. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help, and he was determined to do his bit, to do his best to find the sender. अभी देखो ये तो मुझे बहाना लग रहा है कि यार किसी को मेरी जरूरत है। अभी दिल में लड्डू तो फूटा ही है फ्रिट्ज के। वुमेन स्टक, देखते हैं कौन है। दीपिका पादुकोण निकले तो अपन कर लेंगे। Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag, retied it to the albatross's leg, and had watched the bird fly off. So, if you remember, he had knocked down the albatross and then found the rag tied on the leg. And then he also tied the albatross to a rope. Okay. So, now what he did was he wrote a message and retied the message on the albatross's leg and let it fly. The note told whoever received it, do not despair. Do not despair. Please write it down. Do not fear and stress. Do not fear and stress and worry. Do not worry. Help is near. जो भी ये है, टेंशन मत लीजिए. Help is near. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman. Rescued, please write the meaning. Saved. SAVED. Rescued is saved. Fritz then successfully saved the young woman. Her name was Jenny Mantros. So that's a new character, guys. So we had 6 characters earlier. Now we have the 7th one. Jenny Mantros is the next character. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. Of course, start में थोड़ा शर्म आता है. आप भी किसी घर पे जाते हैं. Whenever you visit, someone's house as a guest, initially we are a little shy when they offer certain things to eat. मन में तो बहुत मन करता है कि यार समोसे आ गए, जलेबी आ गई, खा लेते हैं. But then we are scared of our mother's big cherry-like eyes. But then after some time, when everything is normal, when we realize, नहीं अब तो ठीक है, then we finally get used to it. Yeah. One day they saw a ship which had laid anchor. An encampment had been set up on one of the small islands. So now after 10 years, guys, one day they saw that एक ship आया उनके island पे. उनके island पे नहीं आया, but there was a group of islands that they were living. तो दूसरे island पे they saw a ship that was anchored, and there was an encampment. Encampment, please write it down. Tents were built. TENTS tents. Camps भी लगाए गए थे. After checking the people through the spyglass could be the binocular, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves. Announce themselves, please write it down. It means to go in front of them. Announce themselves as in to go in front of them. So first Fritz and the father, they checked कि ये लोग सही हैं कि नहीं, safe है कि नहीं. Once they felt they were safe, then they thought that they would go and announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. They did not want the crew to think they were savages. Please write the meaning of the word savages. Savages are tribal people. Savages are tribal people. All right. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain of the ship, and told him their own story as well as Jenny's. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. So after talking to the captain, they realized कि जेनी के फादर ने ही ये शिप भिजवाया था. He was the one. Maybe he must be a big shot in his country in England. Maybe he must be an influential person. बहुत ही बड़ा इंसान रहेंगे. तो उन्होंने अपने रेपुटेशन को यूज करके एक कैप्टन को कन्विंस किया कि आप प्लीज जाइए. एंड बिलीव भले 3 साल हो गए, मेरी बेटी जिंदा होगी. एंड द कैप्टन थॉट, ओके फाइन, लेट्स गो एंड फाइंड हर आउट. Attempt as in try. With a burst of celebration, that means with a lot of celebration, the family, passengers, and crew of the British vessel, that is British ship, headed towards New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. So now, after everyone got to know the story, the family, which was now of 7 people, the crew on the ship, the passengers, they were all happy. They all celebrated, and they all left towards they all left towards New Switzerland. Remember, guys, New Switzerland, it was the island on which the Robinson family was living right now. As the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. You know, out of all the characters here, the father's character is my most favorite because this man is a visionary and he believes in live and let live. कोई ऑर्थोडॉक्स फादर होता तो बोलता नहीं हम इतने साल से यहीं रह रहे हैं हम सारे यहीं साथ में ही रहेंगे हम साथ साथ हैं टाइप्स but this father knew that his and his wife's life was, come on, it was half done now, and they were happy to stay there. They wanted to stay there. खुद आगे दिया हुआ है. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. So the parents had decided हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे हम यहीं रह रहे हैं. But if you see, the children were still very young and they had a whole lot of life right in front of them. And if they wished to go out and go back to Switzerland and live, uh, you know, another life over there, a decent life over there, if they want to get educated or something like that, they could do it. It was a wish. Sometimes our parents do this. तुम जब बोलती हो मम्मी मैं बाहर जाऊं, मन में उनके होता है कि नहीं तुम बाहर ना जाओ, but they don't tell you directly. What they do is they tell you ठीक है जाना है तो जा, मैं क्या बोलूं, and you basically realize that it's a no from them. Just type a yes if it has happened with you, and type a no if it hasn't happened to you. It has happened to me, by the way, a lot of times, and it still happens. All right, let us see what happens next. So we've approached the end of the lesson. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Of course, Jenny इशारे कर रही थी, इशारों इशारों में दिल ले रही थी. किसका? Fritz का. Fritz was the first to respond, of course, as I told you. मन में लड्डू तो फूटेगा ही फ्रिट्ज के. So Jenny asked, क्या कोई मेरे साथ आना चाहता है? Fritz said, I will. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. Us, यहाँ पर if you see is in inverted comma, so this us is for all the people in the family who are planning to go to Europe, to Switzerland. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island. So the other brother, Ernest, वो बोला मैं island पे ही रहेगा with parents. Jack also decided to stay back. So Ernest and Jack, the second and the third sibling, they decided we'll stay with parents. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in leaving. So 2 brothers stayed with parents and 2 brothers left. The eldest and the youngest, they left. The middle ones, they stayed back. Franz wanted a chance to receive an academic education. And we all know why Fritz wanted to go there. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had had on the island. Guys, this record is not pronounced as record. So RECORD has 2 meanings. One, which is a verb, another, which is a noun. So the verb is pronounced as record, which is an action of recording something. And RECORD is a record. So if I say the Guinness Book of World Records, so records is a noun and record is a verb. So father had kept all the records of all the adventure they had had on the island. So maybe वो लिख रहे थे बहुत कुछ. He was writing a diary for himself maybe. He handed over the journals to the captain to be published. Then the ship departed. So father, as we all know, was writing a journal, a diary for all these years. And he gave this book to the captain and said, please get it published. And that's how this book was written. ऐसा ये story में लिखा है. Story एक fiction है, real में नहीं हुआ है. But just to make it look like a real story, a factual story, that's how the story ends. So guys, your homework is going to be activity number 2, as you can see on your screen. We just did an example of record and record. So you are supposed to create sentences using the same word as a noun and as a verb. So here, as you can see, the word hold. Hold as a noun, if you see, so it is she has a strong hold over her children. Noun यानी कि नाम. अगर आप hold को एक name के तरह use करते हैं, तो उसको आप noun में use करेंगे. And verb of hold is to actually hold something, action. So let me hold the bag for you. Then you see the second one, value. So if I say the word value as a noun, so I would say the value of the value of education or the value of our parents is immense. ये हो गया noun. And verb would be I value the contribution of my parents in my life. तो अगर आपको noun करना है, तो there is a trick. You can use an article before that word and make it as a noun. And when you remove the article before the word, it becomes a verb. So I want you to do this. Activity number 2. Then I want you to go up there, do activity number 3. थोड़ा बहुत आपने किया रहेगा, थोड़ा बहुत बाकी होगा, or you will finish. Then activity number 4 का I want you to do the third home and the fourth home. Okay, the third home and the fourth home. That's it. That's it. All right, so I'll repeat it for you. I wanted to do activity number 2, activity number 3, and activity number 4, ka third home and the fourth home. All right, I will put my screen off and come online and check if you people have had some doubts. Do we have to do it in notebook? You can do it wherever you want. Of course, कुछ चीजें आप textbook में नहीं कर पाएंगे, so you have to do it in the notebook sometimes. Announce means introduced. Yes. Announce means introduced. Meaning of rigged. I think I already told you the meaning of rigged. What is an anchor? अरे बाबा, anchor, Baba, anchor is that tool that is dropped down when the ship needs to be, uh, stopped at a particular port. The third house was the one that they created on 4 trees, and the fourth house, I want you people to find out the fourth house, okay? आपको मैं इसका solution भेजूंगा बाद में, but I want you to do it first. Encampment means camping, camping, tent लगाना.